Hello everyone. Today we'll be seeing how you can hide your archive chats on WhatsApp. So first of all, we have to go ahead and open the WhatsApp app. And once you're in the app, I will just go ahead and archive a chat here so that I can demonstrate. So let's archive this. And let's go ahead and check my archive chats. So here you can see I have two chats that are archived. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to hide them completely so that they are not available anywhere. So I'll tell you what you have to do. So first of all, you have to click the three dots on the top right when you're on your WhatsApp homepage, and there you can see a bunch of options, but you have to click settings. So once you're here, you have to go ahead and look for the option called chats. So once you found that, we'll go ahead and click that. So as you can see, there's an option at the bottom called keep chats archived. What this option does is as long as it's turned on, it will show your archived chats, but as soon as you turn it off, it will basically hide all of them. So we'll go ahead and turn it off, and we'll back out and see if the chats are there. And as you can see, the archive chats are now gone. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.